I think it's a 5 must-have footwear video. Few of you guys pointed out that Amazon do not have genuine Converse All-Star. I got in touch with Converse customer care and they provided me these details in order to quickly identify whether you got a real one or a fake one. You can always take to the store in case if you buy online for authenticity check, but you can do that easily at home. Number 1, the manufacturing location. Vietnam has to be the location that is the most likeliest to be manufactured for Indian markets when it comes to Converse. Just you can see the tongue portion here, you can find made in Vietnam and also on top of your box. The other options could be either India, China and Indonesia. Apart from that, if you see any of the other countries, it's a fake one. Number 2, unique identification code. Each shoe manufactured from Converse, they have a unique identification code to them. It's not the same code for both the left and right shoe. Even they have different codes, means the last 2 numbers will be differentiated. If you don't have that code on the shoe, may not be an original one. And in case if you have the same code on both of the shoe, again may not be original one. I was said that it would be mostly 2 numbers that would be differentiated for both of the shoes for this unique identification code. Number 3, the style code. Next to that, there is a 7-digit style code that have alphabets as well as numbers. So that is a must-have on the tongue portion and also on the box. That suggests that you got the original one. Sometimes the box might be misplaced and you may get another box from few of the websites, but it never happened to me on Amazon. I always get the original one. And then there was one guy that pointed out that for the Converse logo, for the O, there need to be a star inside. If not, that's a fake one. It's okay to have different opinions, but I would request you guys to have your facts right before you comment. Because the Converse logo has been changed post 2017 and this has been the updated logo. And the logo which you see on the shoes post that manufacturing date have the updated logos. And in case if you are getting a 3 years old stock, you might see that logo, but right now whatever the logos are the updated ones, these are not the fake ones. In case if you're buying one with that logo, either you might be getting a counterfeit product or you might be buying something which has been released 3 years back or manufactured 3 years back. And the logos which you see on these options are the real Converse logos right now at this point of time when recording this video. The last tip, but not the least one, this applies only to the Converse All-Star. When you open this box, you have all the different 1-star, All-Star, Cons, Converse, all the different logos will be there in case if you are getting an original Converse box in specific for the All-Star. And that too for these options, not the Converse Canvas basic options that comes in a small box. However, when it comes to Converse Check 70s, there is one more tip as well. For one shoe, when you raise the tongue, you can just see the label with the Converse star logo with this arrow, and the other shoe have this placeholder for the player's name or for your name. You must be thinking that should be fine, I can use all these tips once the product arrives, but what I can do while ordering itself? That's a good question, and a simple answer for that would be always check the seller and their ratings. Generally sellers such as Cloudtail India and few of the other sellers, they have their reputation and they have very good ratings when it comes to sending authentic products and they are trustworthy. You guys heard how to identify fake versus original Converse high tops for Chuck 70s as well as All-Star. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's it from me. See you next time.